This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com with a quick educational video. I want to talk about these lows here for two stocks. Recent lows on a monthly basis for 2019 for ALGN in relationship to the lows in price here in 09. What relationship could there be between these lows, major lows in 09 and these recent lows? Take a look at another stock, PG. We can see off the lows of 09 and off the lows, recent lows on 2018, there's a relationship based on the RSI. This is what I want to discuss. All right, so on the two stocks, what we're going to do, we're going to use the RSI and going to use the uniformity method. And just to illustrate this for those who are new to this concept, it's my own researched method. But here we can see if we take a line here where we have this RSI coming out of a range of the lows there. Now what we do with the uniformity method is we extend that area, and anytime we have uniform activity bounce, we know that the market is telling us that there's a higher probability. Remember, they are only probabilities, not certainties, of a bounce. So uniform activity bounce there, a nice bounce. Recently, in early 2018, we came back, tested the same area, and guess what? The market bounced. So that's the relationship we have between these lows and the lows of 09. Now, I should point out as a side note, this blue line here happens to be around the 38.2 RSI level. Now let's take a look at the other stock, ALGN. Same thing. We can see off the lows of 09. This is the RSI behavior. We come out of a range in the RSI right there. So use that level, draw our line, and bang. In fact, we've tested this line twice. We kissed it here. Off those lows. And again here in 2019 off these lows. It so happens yet again that the blue line, the uniformity line, is around that RSI level of 38.2. Links for more are gonna be in the description of the video. Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. ESE. Yes.